saa cia bilingi wa mauvo
Likite mwendoni wa Samuonza umundi ni wakatano matuko ni miongweli na ili mwaini wa nyanya na mwaka ni wangilile na miongweli na itano ni na wikwati wakanamdhana wa kuende kwithiwa wiwa kwa ila nina ukethiana na udhota ndini wa vilingi wa mauvo nye ni tawa Caroline mweni wa muteti tuambililia atoi mabodaboda musini wa Kibwezi kauntini ya Makueni ni maumia ukanyo kuya mumo alame ukwatiana na ingeisi atomota kuma kundu kuwa samayasia aane mekoso wa matambia maima keme yao maine na matongwe ni mwene kivila wa Richard Mulo musioka ni maweta ungei wa mota ni wiki nyete muno sokoni usu wa Kibwezi vala kuvikia vauma ite mota itano ndeni welungu ya siumo ilimbetu ni kana kumina mituo yongei wa mota Richard ni wailesa kanane methi wa maitwa yesia uandika kana kuandikithia weu wa atwai mamota sia bodaboda sokoni usu ni kana kuvula mwemo alamethi tueme vidhite sekta ni su mate atwai mabodaboda indi mena agenda siombide.
For the last 2 weeks, there is more than 5 motorbikes. Ila si kuyo nando, tukwati yando, maumete kundu kuwasa mokie kuya mota kukitu. Iti kuwasa kana, andu wasu maumete kuwasa. Timo, mekuya mota meku, kuyandu meba Kibwezi. Meo dhiu kaba Kibwezi. Meo tuwa mota ba Kibwezi. Mekuya mota situ, meo connect, ungeiwa mota. Tikabena wa mota kumba ba kitu, ikatuwa wa kundu kuwasa ta Tanzania. Iti umanenga warning, kumomonde. Alame kuya mota, alame uconnect ngei wa mota, tiwi wa mota situ, ila tu makwata, onatima tu wa polisi, temina ne ona moba, nundu tinoete binda ya saa, mota situ isi yetu binda ya saa, na iti na maite binda ya saa, ati kazi ya numa mota binda ya saa. Huku ambezi oyu, ulati ukwata, pa hii polisi, kumbina na nake. Kila kingi, tu nene haba, yuluwa registration. Ti ambezi na new registration, siya boda boda siyo onde, Kibwezi na Kikumbulu South. Kila mundu produce kibandi chake. Tikaandika mundu listine katika stage ena kibandi chake na tunenga a contact person na kibandi chake temba tuisene kwambelelio mundu mundu alame utumina twetinda na moba siwe kadhoa.
Imagine mundu wanagu kwita wa Malili mundu wa Kilungu amogete Kibwezi koza mota siza watu wanakula sit nikindu kina wona jema muno na nitungia watanyola tunayo na machama nyalangi ma boda boda wa machako salani albana siku ya wote na langi maketwi muneje kumugizyo muno kukwata ni anakuona ni amangejana kwa makwata kibe kiseseni cha polisi metele kuthachwa mbe lakini utuwa ne wendu ne ungiwa mbodala kana mambio kwende be memele kwa mekiwe lakini utuwa ne kebeto kie aina dina wala tu kwata kwa mbio mundi.
Tuisonga nambe kumana no kuno uwo wa COVID-19 na mawawangi alame kumbilite ya Kenya na angi kuisauti wanithayo nthi ya Kenya niyo sete matambia mailu makuikithia mawauta aya maineto kuno munene kwinthi ya Kenya. Aineni ya kuyenthi ya Japan President William Ruto ni wailesi ya undu kufikia vaundi ya Kenya yithito ithini kia mawauki vathukanio ta kwambililia kwisiania namo kumantha uitula wailite kumanyisia Kenya mautui kama undu mailite kukitana namo kati wa sindu ingi yu President William Ruto ni watho changwatanio kati wa nthi ya Japan na Kenya kieleloni cha kukitana na mawauta aya.
For economies to grow, the COVID-19 pandemic exposed the fragility of economies without robust health systems. That is why over the past year, Kenya has embarked on reforms directed towards attaining universal health coverage by strengthening primary health care, prioritizing prevention, upgrading infrastructure, training personnel, and securing vaccines, diagnostics, and medicines, all funded through locally mobilized resources. In less than a year, over 25 million Kenyans have registered with the Social Health Authority, up from about 8 million under the former scheme. Millions of families can now seek quality medical care without impediment, either due to lack of access or prohibitive costs. Yet these robust health systems demand significant resources to actualize. We welcome Japan's support through contributions to the Global Fund, training facilities, and the Africa Vaccine Manufacturing Accelerator. These interventions must be scaled up to guarantee universal access across Africa.
For the purpose of developing future leaders, and humans will be strengthened to develop
Tuisonga na mbele tunengelelia movo macheva madhiko ma Jacqueline Kasau Musyoki na mwitu wake Christine Mutheu Musyoki alamati weni thayo vakuvisu mwili mbitu kwisila mbangani ya lelo kisioni cha Kisaya ni lelo ni wakuma kibwezi kuthigitui yutu ni matoewe Musyuko Kenyambo wodini ya Thange County ya Makueni eli ni katiwandwa na alamati weni thayo mbangani suka vindani kala maumite cha thini changasia cha Jacqueline County ya Kitui valangaliyo ya wikia taili na kumalelo ni mbe wa kuvingilita mavinda kauta kuvikia kiku chake Jacqueline naye mwalimu skuluni wa secondary wa St. Mary's Kenyambo.
Sherehe zetu asanti Madam Polly, kama unanisikia gari yako iko Thank you so much. This is PMC escorting Queen. Asante sana. Thank you so much, CWM.
Tuisonga nambe timu wa muvila wa moko wa akaka na Malkia Strikers ni wa ya silikali maive mautiyo alama taite masiu mwaka utano kana kuyanisia mavata kivathukanio ma athauki ma timu alama ile kana alame madhauni nthio kana me madhauni manthi yonthe ku ya Thailand mekwatiwa kuthauka na timu wa Germany kwa munthi ingine makulia minister wa mathau Salim Mvurya eanisie watho uu na ula wathie athaukia matana kosia kuma bamusi.
We had the promises in that before we travel we're supposed to get all our allowances paid into accounts before we traveled to Vietnam. It didn't work in the name of tomorrow. We have been asking our federation bosses, that's the deputy president, led by the deputy president that is, but they told us they're waiting for the ministry. We got a chance to meet the Cabinet Secretary of Interior, the Cabinet Secretary of Sports and Heritage, and we had a meeting with him. He was so happy to host us. And in the back of our mind, we were supposed to say our grievances to him, but we were stopped. The captain said everything was sorted out. He talked to the person who was supposed to sort out everything. And as usual, we were promised, and we accepted the promise. We are tired of the tomorrow. We are tired of the fake promises, and we needed to get answers. Who is holding our money as Malkia Strikers? And when are we getting our money? When are we getting the allowances? We have been struggling, but there's nothing we can do right now. But we still have to play the World Championship. Our first match is tomorrow against Germany. And it's so sad that we shall be having the first match even without the training allowance that we trained in Nyayo. Also another training allowance that we did in Vietnam. And now the competition allowance in Phuket, Thailand.
Kenya Volleyball Federation, we ask you to help us achieve that mission. We came here with a target and we don't want to lose it. Bwana President, we are also your children, motivate us. Bwana CS, you promised us that our money will come. Help us. We need something so that we can achieve what we came here to do. We are suffering, and that's why we are making this kind of a video. Everyone here is suffering. All the players are suffering, the coaches are suffering, but because we are patriotic Kenyans, we just came with one target, We are trying to let nothing distract us.
Mutaisya mwendo atamba kwa saudhumo munini ni tushokethete na mauvombe angenduka dhivasa.
Useo wa mutongoi ethambe kutongoesya mbai na kumionelelya nzia ila itoma kumiuna kitumine kiu Mutongoi TV ngwatanio ya mukamba ni twaililie nzia sya kutuiloela na twailia maundu kwa kuongelanga isio ila utoma utukwatia wikila vandu nthi ya Kenya kamemeni kaku kama visa yu no wiloele Mutongoi TV kwisira dekoda yaku ya Go TV, Zuku, Star Times na Indie free to air witukwatia kwa Pang, Scan TV kana dekoda yaku OU ni kana kutania ilungu situ na kukwata mauvoma kuikika kila muthenya. Mutongoi TV ngwatanio ya mukamba.
Weni wivitwe uithinywa ni mwikwa ivinda yasa na umanthite uiti na ndu akwata ndukathinike ingi. Mount Everest Nutritional Clinics ni tuuthinikia mawauta, mutambuko, ulcers, pressure, sukali, mathina mambio, kukunwa ningo, mathina manga kukosa mwana, vinya wa mundume kana low libido, kati wa mathina angi maingi. Nukwatianie na matakitali na atalamu kwa kuthokia maofisi maitu. Masaku ni kila muthenya Mulu Mutisha Gardens, nyumbani ya Superstar Building, Golovani ya Mbe. Ilovinota ou kila muthenya lelo ni wala Tema Road, Lois Plaza kusianisa na Maximum Miracle Center. Meru no kila muthenya Sara Plaza kusianisa na stage nene. Wakwambililia nitwithia wa matu ni Uthika Lodge, Wakeli Tala ni Nthoki House, wakatatu ni Emali Kindu Mall kwa PC, wakana ni Kibwezi PCA Hall, wakatano ni Wote Morning Glory Hotel, oinge Thika Rambogo Hotel, na wakatano ousu ni twithia wa Embu Morning Glory Plaza, Golovani ya Mbe vakuvi na vengi wa KCB, na wathanthatu ni Mombasa City Food vakuvi na vengi wa KCB. Kwa mauvombe yange nena na Dr. Munyo kwisila nambani i noti monza imwe noti thanthatu itano kana noti monza itatu ilinyanya inyakenda lilikana wale kutumia leu waku nesa tandawa ukatumia ndawa ta leu waku. Mount Everest Nutritional Clinics kwa uiti museo.
Maundu maku tumosa no litu ulawailete aani bamwe na maovo macheva ila wende na kuya twitikilie tukuye muyo wa kumanyithia ndu na kuuvudhisya maundu maku ibindani ya cheva. Va Mutongoi TV na Mutongoi FM ni tukuelewa munyanya wawo ni ulautautia ila wende na kwisila ibindani yumo tanga sidhia na ito kimanyithia cha bata kana kimanyithia cha kikuo kwisila nambani noti monza kenda ile 5553. Mutongoi TV na Mutongoi FM ngwatanio ya mukamba.
Mukamba ni wese uimane uthwi na kwa uo ndo ilite kubatithia na uima waku wamwe. Rafiki Herbal Clinic ungua Herbal Dr. Mwithia nicho kliniki cha ndawa cia miti kila kitongoetie kwa witi mwithianu na wandawa siki ukunikili wa ki-science nituita mauki bathukanio ta typhoid, ndetema, amoeba, bio, ulcers, arthritis, kulea kusia kwa mbatoni ndakame, kukosa bina wa kiume, mauma kikonde, asthma, mauma metambo, fibroids, sukali na mauange. Koma na Herbal Dr. Mwithia kila chuma wauikala wakwambilile matuku na mwezi wa 8 Kibwezi kuthengene na tumeni clinic kwa chula sivitali wakele matuku na kenda tu Mombasa tujibebe wa Kenya Party House kungedhanisia na KCB Mwembetari branch kwa Shibroad kuthengene na Naivas Supermarket o wakele usu matuku na kenda tu ikathonzweni Windy Shakers etina Wangomeni Hotel duka namba 3 kungedhanisia na Kilome Hotel wakatatu matuku miongwele tu matiliku chambeo in kwa Kinguti matanisioni machangwa si na Kilele wakana matuku miongwele na Imotu Mulolongo kuthengene na 3D Hotel kwa flyover ya Yellow o wakana uswingi matuku miongole na imotu ya mali bus park ndukana miongo thandatuna kenda itina wanaikana booking office wakatano matuku miongole na ilitu wote katika watazama Agrovet na Cecil Hotel Marikiti ulikiloni Wamboka na wathanthatu matuku miongole na ratutu ikambuit na wakanzi supermarket kungedhanisia na Blessed Kanani Hotel. Kwa mauvombe yange tuthoke mawisi ni maitu kanotu kwenye simu kwezela noti muonza ile imo noti kenda noti kana noti muonza na ina ile itano kana tuandikie SMS kana WhatsApp kwezela noti muonza imo noti kenda noti nyanya Rafiki Herbal Clinic, we treat, God heals.
Musesia mwendo ni twacokethia vani Mutongoi TV na woni vilingi wa mauvo wa Samonza no kenda kutetheka kuma kwi silikali o undumwe na makundi kivathukanio munini wa President Kithure Kindiki ni wa mathuthia a muikalame na inengo cia mathau meyandikithie kulika ikundini no kana gukwata utethio wa mituki. Kindiki aneneiye kaundini ya Tharaka Nithi valau kuwetakana silikali ni yikithite kana muika ni wokeliwa kiukwati na muno ala mena inengo na ala meiku ndini ai mathuthia a muika kukwatana no kenda kutetheka kwa mituki.
It is easier to benefit as sportsmen and women through your clubs than for you to benefit individually. If you work through clubs and registered groups and associations, you can pool a lot of resources from well-wishers than if you are individual. So I encourage you also to come up with a proposal on how we can assist you to have a sportsmen and women empowerment fund through your groups, through your clubs, through your association. Mimi niko kila mahali nasaidia vikundi vya wanabiashara everywhere in Kenya. Even tomorrow after the sports thing, I am going to Northeastern for 3 days. And I'm supporting very many groups. What is wrong if I also support the sports people from this area? Iko makosa. So mujipange, mimi hiyo empowerment takuja na yetu ya wanamichezo. And that's not a political thing. Sio mambo ya siasa, kwani kuempower iko siasa gani kusaidia Iko makosa? So nime mention two things. Wale leaders wako hapa wa various federations na associations ya various sports. The empowerment of sportsmen and women in this region. I want a proposal and proposals from you on how we can work together for that empowerment. And also, we need a tournament for this region for all games, soccer, volleyball, netball, and tennis, and everything. We will find resources to make sure we have a huge organized games for this region, and we can even extend it to other regions with a bigger competition. So that's why I called you today. Sikuwa na maneno mingi, and I wish you all the best.
Na muthia nthini wa mathau ma CHAN 2024 alame uthau kwa mathani wa umuthi timu wa Kenya withauka na timu wa Madagascar mwendoni wa saa 11 na Tanzania ithauka na Morocco saa ili cia wiyo uni kwina mathau eli Uganda ikathauka na timu wa Senegal saa 11 na Sudan ithauka na Algeria mwendoni wa saa ili cia wiyo na kwa athaukia onthe twimwendea ithau iseo. Musesia mwendwa usu niwe muthia wa bilingi wa mauvo Samonza siatilikanda teka miongwele na mauvombe yange niseleleka mwendoni wa saa 1:30 cia wiyonye ni tawa Caroline Mweni wa Muteti na ni mutia moko ni ma DJ Rati na Agal Toto ndini wa kilungu cha Reggae Mania Tiwanesa.